I'm Denise, and welcome to my dressing room. Today I thought I would share with you the bags that I put in my bags that I use this holiday season. A wallet, a little pouch, and then this little beauty here. So let's get started. Louis Vuitton. And this one, oh my gosh, guys. It is the Damier Ebene Paillettes. No, Paillettes. I always get that wrong. Paillettes collection, and it is the Zippy wallet from 2013. You can see the little gold hardware pull tab right there. And it's accordion style, opens like this, has this nice zipper, again with all the details that I like, with the gold pull tabs for the inside zipper. I just lost my train of thought there. And it has so many rooms for cards. And this color is the Bordeaux, and it again is with these sequins that are just gorgeous. And this one is again like my my Damier Ebene here. It is really smooth. So I was lucky enough to find this, and it'll go inside this. I mean, I love wallets. I don't always match my wallets and SLGs to my bag, but like I said, when you see these come up on the pre-love market, you just you have to grab them, and especially when they're a super good deal. And this one is in really good condition also. It has no glazing issues, which a lot of these SLGs have now, because I would think these would have been used more back in the day. But yes, I just love this color in Bordeaux. And then also this little pouch I've had for so many years. It's a little Gucci pouch, and see the little Gucci in there. The tab. God, I'm just like losing my train of thought today, like totally. I don't know why. I get sometimes like that when I film. I know what I'm going to say, and then blah 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 blah. And this one comes with that little heart right there, the heart pull tab. And this type of little pouch, I'll usually put in, I take very minimal makeup when we go out, so I'll just take like, lip gloss, maybe a chapstick depending on the weather, and not too much. But this pouch fits perfect in any bag, so it's actually quite nice. I'll put this one there. There we go. And then this one here is actually from Amazon. I got it last year, and it kind of reminds me of the there's a designer that makes very similar style, Alexander Wang, I think. I could be wrong. Let me know in the comments if you know. I think this was like $19.99. But guys, look at the detail. Look at the crystals. And I used this all last Christmas. I actually took this to Mazatlan because we spent Christmas down there last year. And yeah, there's not one crystal that I can see missing. And it's quite a little substantial little bag. And I just love how it has that little slouch in the middle. It also came with a crossbody strap, but you know what, I'll never use that. I'll never use this for a crossbody. It'll always be just in my bags, and again, it can fit inside this bag if I needed to carry stuff, or you know, could put my card case in there, things like that. And then if I'm tired of carrying the big bag around, I can just, you know, put the stuff in here and walk around with this little bag, if that makes any sense at all. So yeah, I just wanted to do just a quick video on my little wallets and a couple pouches that I put in my holiday bags. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.